Good evening. Tonight I am disassembling this Gazelle bicycle. It is basically too far gone to fix up. It needs a complete new drivetrain, including new jockey wheels for the derailleur. They are like throwing stars at the moment. But I want to use the mudguards on my other bicycle. And I just ran into a little problem, something that I have never seen before. This mudguard has been bolted onto the lock with some sort of tamper-proof rivet. That's kind of new for me. So I guess if you want to steal this mudguard, you better take the whole bicycle. The lock is also bolted onto the frame with a tamper-proof rivet. And it looks like the lock is also mounted to the frame over here and on the other side. Although I cannot really access the heads of the screws. So this thing is a bit of a nightmare if you want to fence your mudguards. I think it's time to start drilling. Removing these coat protectors is also a bit of a nightmare. They were already broken, so I broke away another piece of plastic in order to create a angle for the camera. I got a 9.5mm drill bit in the drill chuck, and I think that is big enough. I'm not sure if it is sharp enough because it was reground by myself, so I guess there's a 50% chance that it is still working. Good, it's spinning the right direction. Let's try this. It's kind of hard. Well, that didn't do anything good for the drill bit, but let's continue. I guess this drill bit isn't working. Either that or that pin is just too hard. Let me get another one. This drill bit is a little smaller and was also reground by myself. Let's try this one. Come on! I'm pushing forward the whole frame and it is kind of annoying. Oh man! I thought this would be an easy job, but I guess I was wrong. New plan. Slowly grinding away the head of that fastener. This is going to take a while. Man, this is slow. I don't want to grind into the plastic, and I'm hoping the heat will not melt the plastic away. Yeah. Let's continue. Because of the awkward position, I cannot really use a chisel to try and hammer that head away. So I guess I will do some more grinding. It started to smell different. I don't know, maybe it is getting too hot. I don't feel a lot of heat on the other side. So let's continue. I don't know. This might be melting into the plastic. Why did Gazelle make this so goddamn difficult? Not sure if this is a good idea, but yeah, I gotta try something. It looks like that metal plate that I thought was a bit of a weird shaped washer behind the head of the fastener. It is well, it looks like it is slowly melting into the plastic. Yeah. Although it is not that hot. If I use the hammer too much, I will probably end up breaking the plastic. I will continue grinding because I don't see another easier option. And because of the sparks and the fact that it is rather dark here, I can't see anything. There's that smell again. What is causing that smell? I think this must be your worst nightmare if you're working in an illegal bike chop. Looks like on this, on the lower side, part of the head have been worn away. So I guess there is some progress, although it is rather slow. Well, let's see if it will move out. Yeah. Okay, I think there's still a little bit left there. So I will do just a little bit more grinding. Well, now then, perhaps using the chisel. I think it's coming. I got it. Now I should be able to take the whole mudguard out. That only took, let's see, the recording time is 18 minutes and 45 seconds. I'll make the video a bit shorter. Well, I already loosened up the other fasteners, although there is a plastic clip here for the coat protector. And maybe I should also, oh, it's already unhooked. I'm talking about the V-brakes. Nope, they're not in the way. Haha, there's my chain guard. And now later I will probably find out that it is not fitting on my Batavus bicycle. Perhaps I should also take the lock so I have a mounting point for the mudguard. This kinda looks like thread. So, perhaps a thief knows. And as you can see, I cannot access the fasteners that mount the lock to the frame. So here's a look inside the mudguard, and as you can see, the plastic part that was underneath the head of the bolt was already slowly melting into the plastic. Here you can see the other side. But it didn't melt all the way through, so this shouldn't be a problem. I might actually need to drill another hole in here so I can mount it onto my Batavus bicycle. So this here is the inside of the front mudguard, and these rivets have already worn away. So I guess I need to install a couple of new ones, but that's not really a problem. Yeah, they don't rust, but they do have other issues. These plastic bits here are what is left over from the coat protectors. They well, especially these clips, they were almost as hard to remove as that hard rivet. I guess these can now join the rest of all the plastics in the world somewhere in the Atlantic Ocean, where I believe we are building a plastic island. I must admit that Gazelle did a good job making this bicycle not attractive for thieves, because it is rather hard to remove this lock. I don't know how to do it, but it is a nice lock, and I would like to repurpose it on my Batavus bicycle. So if anybody has any ideas or tips on how to remove this without any damage, put them in the comments below. Alright, now I think it's time to stop this shit show. So till next time, and to be continued.